This product. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today's video is gonna be another haul. So before going into the video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and you can also follow me on my Facebook, Twitter, Instagram and Snapchat. I'll be leaving all the links below in the description box, so please go check it out, and you can also comment below for more suggestions. Now let's get into the video. So today's video is gonna be about this this Club Factory haul. So I just received this package and I've opened it to see whether I got all the items or no. So yeah, so I'll be showing you what all I got from Club Factory. So the first one is this bag. I got this in this Ziploc cover. So this is how the bag looks. I'll put a pic somewhere over here, and I'll also put the cost of it over here. And I've ordered for the gray bag, and yeah, this is like quite good. It's not that bad, and it is the material wise it is good. I guess this is waterproof. So yeah, this is the first item. And the second one is this. I was like too excited to try this one. This is the selfie light, I guess. Yeah, this is the selfie light, and this is how the packaging is. I've ordered for the white color, and yeah, I did receive the white color, and with this cable wire, and you have to keep your phone like this while taking pictures. And I thought this is a little bit helpful when you're going out, and people like me who takes a lot of pictures. Oh, I dropped it. So yeah, it has 3 settings. Like you can increase the light, and yeah, here you can plug your wire to charge it. So yeah, I really like this one. This is like cool. The other one is this lens for the camera. I don't know, I have this mixed feelings about this product, because when I tried it on my mobile, the camera, I mean the picture was little bit blur, and I was not satisfied with the product. As they mentioned, I have to get like 3 lenses, but I only received 2 lenses. I've also received this baggage to keep your lens in it, and yeah, this is how the lens, like you have to, you get this clip where you need to put this on your camera thing, and yeah, and yeah, this is the second one, the first one, the second one, and I only get this top cap, and I didn't get this 3 lenses as they mentioned over here. Like if you see the box, you'll get like 3 lenses, but I didn't receive 3 lenses. It's a bit disappointing. It's supposed to have fisheye, macro, wide angle. So yeah, that's a bit disappointing. The other one is this whistle keychain. I just got this for my brother, and like when you whistle it, it gives something like one kind of a sound where you can find your keys. So yeah, this is it, and my brother tried it, and it's good. The second one, the other one is this. This is also comes in this bag. Oh, this one is the makeup bag which I have ordered for. Yeah. And yeah, this is quite big, not that big, but yeah, this is like okay, where you can keep your makeup, shampoos, or like toiletries in it and just carry it. So yeah, this is okay for the price. And yeah. Ah, the other one is this face mask, because I've been seeing a lot of people wearing face mask, but I normally love face mask to cover your nose and mouth. And I'll just open it. Yo, this is the mask. I guess this is how it is. Uh, it's good, but the thing is, like, it's big to my face. It's kind of big, but the material wise, it's good. It's like so good, and I really love the print. It's good. I just loved it. I wish I would have ordered like other two or something like that, because the material is like too good. That's good. Ah, see, this is also comes in this Ziploc. I really like the packaging of Club Factory, and I've ordered for this pants. This is it's something like jeggings. So this material is good, and it's too stretchy. They only have one size in it, and I took the black one. It might be transparent like this, but when you wear it, it's good. I like, you can cover, like if you're wearing any long t-shirts or any tops which covers your bum. So it's too good. I really love the material. It's like good. The material is like too good, too soft, and that's good. This product, this product, I'm like very disappointed with this product. I really don't like this product, because I've ordered for a towel, baby towel, and they've sent me this one. Literally this one. Let's see. This one is like too bad for the price I've paid, because outside you'll get for more cheaper price. And I really don't like this. I don't know what to do with this piece of cloth. I mean, like, I can just use it for my face. That's all. I actually like this one. I don't remember which color I've ordered, but I like this purse, because you know, a lot of my bags are like tote bags which don't have another extra pocket where you can keep your change and all that stuff. But this one is good. Like, you can keep all the change in it, and it's good. The material is also good. It has this kind of denim texture, but it's not denim, but the material is good. This one I really wanted to try this one because I love drinking green tea, flower teas, and all the bark teas. So I just wanted to try with this one. So this is like you need to put all the, just open it. Yeah, this one. Oh, I need to connect this, but anyway, this is how this looks like. Like you need to put your stuff in it, close the lid, keep it in hot water, or dip it in your mug and let all these things ooze out, and you're ready to go. This I took this stainless steel one, so I'm too excited to try this one. Coming to the jewelry wise, this bracelet I thought it is something like press one, or it's something like cuffling, something like that, but I got this bangle type which is like too big. I don't know who will wear this one. See this one, but I really like the hard detailing over here, but it's not my size. Anyway, I'll just give it to my cousin or someone who will do justice for this bangle. So yeah, this is the one. No. This one is like, I really like these earrings. They are like so good. Like this one, the tree branch one are like too cute, and I really love these ones. And I'm like too satisfied with the earrings. And the other one is also like, I guess this one and this one are like my favorite ones because I really love the way they look, and they are like too good. And the other one is this one. It's a leaf kind of a thing where you need to put this inside like this and wear it on. I've wore this in one of my video. I'll put somewhere over here. Check it out. This one, I haven't tried this one. I'm like, I wanted to try this, and I'll put how this thing works because it has this one female jack. I mean, like you get two female jack and one male jack, like where you can put your earphones and mic in it and connect it to the laptop. So I thought I have to try this because outside it was bit of more compared to Club Factory. So last but not least, watch. The good thing about Club Factory is like you get like different kinds of watches, and I kind of like Club Factory watches because of their designs, and yeah. Yeah, this is the design of the watch, and I kind of liked it because the strap is like good for the money what I paid, and the watch is good because I kind of like big dials. So this is good, so I really like this watch. That's all guys, hope you guys liked it. Love you all, bye bye, see you guys in the next video.